the spring of 1958, the river rose, as was normal when the snow thaw commenced. But this year, the river remained high until the Christmas period. With considerable water coming from the mountainside, the grader is maintaining the completed road westward from the Bailey Bridge. Meanwhile, at Evans Flat, the next flat westward from Burke Flat, surveyors were seeking the position of the next bridge, and further investigation work was required at that bridge site. Returning from the Evans Flat bridge site, a view across the Burke Flat, which shortly afterwards, during a flood, was under 2 meters of water. The walking track through the bush, which was used by trampers, was in this area also approximately the line of the road. This short section was actually a section built by public works men pre-war who had misbehaved and were sent to a remote area to work. Beyond the little gates of Haast, the valley commenced to open out, and the material for road making changed. There was considerably more clay, less rock material, but this particular face had the same propensity to slip as many of the faces further up the gorge. In this shot, the movement of material can be seen. Across the Burke Flat, different methods of road construction were utilised, and from progress measured effectively in metres of road per day or even per week, across the Burke Flat, 1/2 kilometre of road was constructed within a period of a week. And for the first time, gravel was readily available for road pavement and for fill material. Kias were very common, and opportunity was taken to have a look at Kia a little closer up. There was some difficulty in this photographing because of the need to refocus the camera as the bird approached. There is no doubt they are very curious. Westward from Burke Flat, a further series of bluffs around to the Evans Flat were required to be blasted, but this was a different type of blasting, and in this shot more than 4 tons of explosive were used in a single shot, and the full length of the bluff was blasted in that shot. The drillers were very keen to see the results of their work, but there was no secondary blasting required throughout this length. It was ruled that no trees between the road line and the river were to be interfered with, although it can be seen in this shot that there was some damage to trees by fly rock. More visitors, mainly from oil company, and in the background a gravel face which later slipped and considerably more material was required to be shifted. At the Evans Flat bridge site, the initial work was to investigate foundation, and lengths of railway line were driven to test the foundation, and because of the way the river rose and fell so frequently, a drilling rig was mounted on a dozer so that the entire rig could be removed from the river each day.